1 billion unique visits per month, 6 billion hours viewed per month, 100 hours uploaded per minute, and thousands of channels are making six figures per year. These are just a few statistics from YouTube on how much traffic is flowing through their website. Imagine how many of your potential customers could be watching your videos. So I want to ask, are you tapping into the power of YouTube correctly? Or are you leaving it alone for your competitors to devour themselves? You may have tried but failed and aren't getting the leads or customers you've always wanted. But believe me, with YouTube, it isn't that hard. The truth is that most people want to just jump on the YouTube bandwagon and upload the videos that they think will work, but don't properly research what they're up against. So whether you're a local business, an online business, or a nonprofit, having a YouTube channel that you can use to inform your audience is key. So where do you start? Well, in order to really succeed with this, you need to implement the following 3 steps. Step 1 is going to be that you need to know what your audience truly desires so that you can create videos that really appeal to them, right? Then, of course, you'll need to create videos, which really aren't that hard. There are a lot of free services out there that allow you to create videos, or you can always get somebody else to create them for you and outsource it. Okay, so once you have the video, then what? Moving on to step number 2, which is you need to research your competitors, what they are doing and what they aren't. I know that this is a step that most people skip out on because it sounds boring. But it really isn't. It becomes an eye-opener so that you can improve your videos so that you're giving your viewers exactly what they want. Plus, by creating a roadmap, you're going to be able to get to your destination quicker. More on that later. So in step number 3, it's time to upload your videos and reach your viewers. You see, once you finish your steps 1 and 2, it's time to upload your video and start ramping things up. Want to learn some insider strategies to rank higher in Google, which gets you great traffic and leads? Well, you'll learn more about that in this specific course. So let's dive right in and let me show you the outline along with some samples of the videos so you know exactly what you're going to get access to. So just giving you a quick run through here, the first video is going to be overview of YouTube. And the whole goal of this video is to really give you a quick overview of the channel details, the video manager, and to how to navigate around YouTube in terms of the areas that we'll be using. Then the video number 2 is going to be about researching your competitors' ranking. So obviously before you jump right in and upload your video, you need to analyze the channels, the different videos, and of course your audience. And this is one of the most important things that people forget to do beforehand. So you definitely don't want to make this mistake. So what we do here is we analyze your competitors, what they're doing, what they're not doing, and that way you have a better attack plan later down the road when you actually begin to upload the videos. Then, of course, in video number 3, we're going to begin to research the Google search engine ranking to kind of get an idea of what you're up against. And that way we can create a game plan by doing some research. Then, of course, we got video number 4, which is preparing and uploading. Basically, at this point in time, it's time to prepare and upload your video file to YouTube. Now, there is one specific trick that I'm going to show you how to prepare your file that most of your competitors don't even know about that will actually help in terms of impacting your ranking with Google. In the next video, we've got video optimization, which is key because after you upload your video, it's not just said and done. Basically, at this point in time, you need to optimize your video further, and I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. And the reason being is that you want to get your video ranked higher in YouTube and also as in the Google search engines as well. The next video is going to be on playlists. Now, obviously creating playlists is really easy to do, but I'm going to show you a specific strategy that you can use and boost the amount of people that will be able to see your videos. Next video is going to focus on increasing engagement. As you know, engagement is key. Getting people to interact with your video actually increases your conversions overall to get people to take action in the end, whether it's buy your services, buy your products, take action and sign up on your list, whatever your end goal might be. Next, we're going to talk about social signals. Social signals is basically whenever somebody mentions you and your video, your website, or whatever that might be inside a social media site like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or another social media site. The more quality social backlinks you have, the better. But there's a specific strategy and specific way of doing it to get your YouTube video ranked in YouTube as well as in the Google search engine. So we'll talk about that in that particular video. And of course, last but not least, we'll focus on a specific strategy that you can use right away. It's super simple, easy. It doesn't take you a lot of time. In fact, for less than $5, you can easily increase your video reach domination. So basically, at this point, when you use the trick, it's going to increase your video's reach way beyond YouTube and Google itself. Now, what I want to do is just show you some videos in action. Hello and welcome. In this particular video series, my goal is to help you understand how to use YouTube. I'm going to give you a quick overview in this particular video, but I'm also going to show you how to optimize your video so that you can get some traffic from the YouTube system. You can get some rankings on Google itself so that you can get more people viewing your video and more people interested in your product, your service, or the message that you're trying to convey. So first things first, what I want to do in this particular video is just to give you a quick overview of YouTube here so that you understand how to use it to upload your videos. Now, okay, so welcome back. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do some basic research on your competitors, how they're doing, and also other channels as well. Because this is what I recommend that you do before you go all out and before you start uploading videos and things like that. So what I've done here is I've gone to YouTube. I am typing a keyword up at the top, and I'm going to type it on something that I am interested in possibly promoting. So I myself have a dog, and one thing that we have to do a lot of times is clean the dog's hair that they are shedding. So this is a common problem that all dog owners face, right? Now there's a specific tool called the Furminator that allows you to clean your dog of. So now that I've taught you how to research videos, research channels, research organic rank, prepare and upload the files, and optimize your video a little bit further, now I want to talk about how to boost your YouTube traffic and your reach. In this particular video, we're going to focus on playlists and a specific strategy that you can use to increase your reach with playlists. There are two different types of playlists that you can create. Number one, you can create a series of your own videos. And number two, so with that said, go ahead and grab access to this video course and start driving traffic to your videos. We look forward to seeing you on the inside.